Troublesome, nigga. Troublesome 19 motherfucking 96. Westside. Let it be known, nigga. Boss of all bosses. Machiavelli. Minutes and methods label me a lethal weapon, making niggas die, witnessing breathless imperfections. Can you picture my specific plan? To be the man in this wicked land, underhanded hits a plan. Scams are plotted over grams of rock. Outlaws, motherfuckers die by the random shot. We all die in the end, so advance we swerve. I was all about my ends, fuck friends and foes. Me, a born leader, never lead a block without my heater. Got me a dog and named her my bitch nigga Heater. What could they do to me, a little brat? Shit, them niggas that shot me and still terrified I beat they ass. How can I show you how I feel inside? We outlaws, motherfuckers can't kill my pride. Niggas talk a lot of shit, but that's after I'm gone. Cause they fear me in the physical form. Let them be known, I'm troublesome. Troublesome niggas. Outlaws. Put it down to the fullest. Spitting rhymes and bullets. We troublesome. Y'all know what time it is. Call the funk police. They can't stop us. Niggas run the streets. We troublesome. Gutter ways, my mentality is ghetto. A gorilla in this criminal war. We all rebels. Death before design, I bet I bomb on them first. Niggas knew we came for murder. Pulling up in a hearse. Westside was the war cry, busting off frilly, screaming fuck all y'all niggas in Swahili. Pistol packing fresh out of jail. I ain't going back, release me to the care of my heartless strap. Say my name 3 times like Candyman. Bet I roll on your ass like an avalanche. So survivor, learn to get high and pull drive-bys. Murder my foes, can't control my nine. Hearing thoughts of my enemies bleeding, please. Bustin' ass motherfuckers tried to flee. Picture me letting this chump survive. Ran up on his ass when I dumped him down. Cause I'm troublesome. Young, strapped, and I don't give a fuck. I'm hopeless. I live a thug life, losing my focus, baby. I'm troublesome. Bad boy killer. There is no one realer. What you saw was the rough, rugged, and raw. Outlaw. Murder, murder, my mind state. Shit ain't changed since my last rhyme. The crime rate ain't declined. Niggas busting shots like they lost their mind. Like 25 to life never crossed their mind. Tell me young nigga never learned a thing. Dead at 13 cause he yearned to bang. Sent a lot of flowers, but how could I cry? Tried to warn a little nigga either stop or die. Mercy is for the weak, when I speak I scream. Afraid to sleep, I'm having crazy dreams. Vivid pictures of my enemies, family times. God forgive me cause it's wrong, but I plan to die. Either take me in heaven and understand I wasn't sheep. Did the best I could, raised in insanity. Or send me to hell cause I ain't begging for my life. Ain't nothing worse than this first dance hopeless life. I'm troublesome. In your wildest dreams you couldn't picture a nigga like me. I'm troublesome. I don't give a fuck. I'm troublesome. Like my nigga Napoleon said, nigga. Somebody gotta explain why I ain't got shit. I'm troublesome. You know what time it is, the outlaw clique. Young, rugged, and sick. Machiavelli the Dawn, the boss, all bosses. Mussolini, Idi Amin, Hussein Fatal, Gaddafi, Castro, Napoleon, Bo Nitty. We ain't fucking around. We troublesome. Hey yo. We troublesome. Young Castro, the first to blast, the last one to dash. Going for the holes in the cash. Fuck you niggas, outlaws. Gaddafi, Trump tight, never slop. The motherfuckers try to copy, but they can't mock you, nigga. You're too strong. Outlaws, keep it going on. You know what's up. Outlaws, outlaws. Outlaws, outlaws. This is dedicated to the real niggas. All the real troublesome soldiers on the streets. Bye bye, all you niggas die.